Oh Lord, this one is for the people, for the soldiers, the mothers, the land. I lift my voice to heaven high. Oh, oh, Lord, hear my cry. In the heart of Africa, I see a flame. A young man rising, call his name. Ibrahim Traoré standing tall. For the love of his people, he risked it all. Bullets fly, but he don't fall. He walking through the fire, still answering the call. Faith in his chest, and the word in his hand. He's fighting for peace in his motherland. So I get down on my knees, praying for unity. Let no evil take control. God, please protect his soul. God,